Hi, have a very beautiful morning to all of you. I'm making this video because many of you have asked me to give a simple technique of doing meditation, and they asked me to tell them what kind of meditation I do. I'm going to tell you a very simple way through which you can start your day and energize yourself. I must tell you that there is no one in this world who can teach you meditation. Nature itself is a great instructor. If you see the objects around you, God has given you everything. You watch them and you can meditate on any object set by God. Now, one great instructor or object that God has given you is sun. 15 minutes of sun watching is itself is a meditation. Now I'm going to teach you how you can meditate with sunrise. Before starting the sun gazing, always see plants and trees around you. The green color is soothing to your eyes and prepare your eyes to look at sunrise. Now focus your eyes to the sky and finally to the sun. You will see when sun rises, it appears red in color. You can gaze at sun for a few seconds and try to absorb this red color energy into you and feel that this is energizing your root chakra. Root chakra is the energy center of your body, which is present at the base of your spine. From here, energy moves up in your body. Thanks, sun, for sending you this energy. Within a few minutes, the color of the sun appears orange and the sky starts reflecting all these colors. Look at sun and the sky and now feel that this orange color light is reaching to your sacral chakra and energizing it. Sacral chakra is above the root chakra, that is below the navel. In a few minutes, sun starts reflecting yellow color, and that is the color of your solar plexus chakra, which is above your sacral chakra. Look at sun and the sky. Remember not to stare at sun. Notice the first sun ray coming towards you and feel this ray is energizing your solar plexus chakra. Let me tell you that the solar plexus chakra is the center point in your body energy system that transmits energy to your whole body. So when you are watching the sun, right from when it is rising from red to yellow, you almost spend your 10 minutes into it. So for 10 minutes you are watching the sun, and for 10 minutes you are meditating. Now what is meditation? Meditation means focus, concentration. So when you are watching sunrise, you are not only increasing your concentration power, you are also energizing your body. Now what happens when you are watching the sunrise? When it reaches towards its brighter side, your eyes are tired. Now you can close your eyes and just feel the energy going inside your body. Just feel this energy going from this place to your solar plexus chakra, and just feel that this is energizing your body. So this is just 10 to 15 minutes of activity, but it is a great meditation. You don't have to spend your time, your hours into meditation. You are just focusing on sun, its energy, the colors. Believe me, if you do this activity for 7 days continuously, you will see change in your life. You will feel more active. Your bottom chakras, that is root chakra, sacral chakra and solar plexus chakra, will get activated. They will get opened and balanced. And when the sunlight reaches towards your solar plexus chakra, it radiates all the energy in your body and your body becomes active. You will become more healthy, and this is the reason why sun is known as Surya Devta. Here Devta means power. God has several powers. power of sun, power of moon, power of stars, power of planets, and this is the basis of astrology too. So when you are watching sun, actually you are taking the power of sun. So believe me, if you start watching it, you will love watching it. So I wish you a very good luck. Do watch the sunrise and do this meditation and tell me in comments how you felt. And if you have any problem, if you have any query, you can definitely ask me. Good luck and have a very good day.